How to call AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can call AliExpress. That is, you can call AliExpress customer service. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. If you want to call AliExpress or basically their customer service, what you'll have to do is find the number first. To find their number, head over to a web browser and simply search for AliExpress customer service. After you search for AliExpress customer service, you'll find this website called Pissed Consumer. So all you have to do is just tap on that. So that will take you to this website by AliExpress themselves. So right here, you'll find the number for AliExpress. Here you can find different regions, including US, your Hong Kong, India, and your Taipei city. So depending on your country or depending on where you live, you can simply choose any one of these number and call them. And that's how you can call AliExpress. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.